Hey everybody, welcome back to Grey County Grillin'. I'm Chris, and today I am going to do a demonstration cook of the True Wave grill accessory for gas grills, charcoal grills, any kind of grill where you're dealing with flame and you've got the chance of a flare-up. So, this right here is the True Wave grill accessory. And you can see this one's a little dirty, but they get that way after the first use, but still work just great. So what I'm going to do is cook some sausage and some zipper sticks using the True Wave grill. So what you want to do is put them in your grill like so. And then what we're going to do is close the lid and we're going to let them warm up, and you'll see just how easy it is to cook with these on your grill and how you avoid any kind of flare-ups or anything like that. So close the lid, let these heat up, and we will come back in a little bit and get the grill, the sausages and the zipper sticks on. All right, so we have let it warm up for a little bit now. So it is super easy to use. You just place your item directly on the grills. So that package is some Oktoberfest sausage. These are great Canadian grilling sausage. I don't exactly know what that means, but they looked good. And these are courtesy of Stemler's, which is a butcher shop in Heidelberg, Ontario. And they have some great stuff there. So if you are local and know the place, then definitely give them a try. Next, we have some zipper sticks. So these are some pepper, a little chunk of bacon there, some more pepper, and then a sausage kind of wound around. And we're gonna put these on as well. All right, there we go. So we're gonna let these go for a little bit and we will come back and take a look. All right, we'll open up and take a look. There we go. So I don't know how well you can see, but right over here, you can see the grease is starting to drip down on these zipper sticks. Oh, we lost a pepper. That one's gone for good. Just got to be a little bit more careful. Flipping these over. There, so there was a little bit of a flare up there. And you can see if it gets a little too hot, then the grease that's collecting in the troughs will start to ignite. So you do need to be careful of that. Oh, and there goes another pepper. We are having some issues with the peppers. Just got to be careful when we're turning those so that we don't lose the peppers. So as I was saying, you want to aim for cooking between 350, 400, 450 with the True Wave, because you're going to ensure that the grease does not ignite. Once you start getting up to 500, 550, 600 degrees, then your grease will ignite, regardless of it being in the trough or not. So you can take a look on these sausages. We're still getting the grill marks on them, which is nice. I gotta say, they smell pretty darn good. And kind of a bonus is that it does give you a little bit more even cooking throughout everything. So, that is certainly plus when it comes to the True Wave. All right, I'm gonna flip over the rest of these sausages and we're gonna let them go, and we are pretty close to being done. All right, just gonna show you quickly that the sausages, some of them have split. And normally, that means that my grill would be a fiery mess. It would be one crazy inferno that I'd have a spray bottle out trying to put out the flames. Nothing. No flames, nothing. When it came out, I heard the sizzling and I was a little worried that maybe it got a little too hot, but no, everything's good. Now, my barbecue is 5 burners and I've only got 3 on, 1, 3, and 5. So that definitely helps with keeping things down a little bit lower than where the ignition happens. So the sausages are looking good. I think they are going to be done fairly soon if they're starting to split open like that. The zipper sticks, they might take a little bit longer, but I might just move the sausages up to the top just to make sure that they don't get overdone or anything. And I think everything is done. There, these zipper sticks are looking pretty good. I'm gonna say those are nicely done. Yeah, that's a little darker on that side, but that's okay. So there, that shows you how easy the True Wave is to cook with on your gas grill. Hey, look at that. That looks, you know, those look pretty good, I would say. All right, I'm gonna take these in. We're gonna have some dinner and enjoy this great food that we cooked up here. Okay, just before we wrap this up, I do want to show you how the cleaning tool right here works on scraping out the troughs in the True Wave. So you can see the end here. Let's just see if that'll come into focus. There we go. So this is a little dirty, but you can see the end is, you know, it's got a flat edge to it and it's kind of pointed there as well. So this has been machined to fit the grooves perfectly. And once you're done cooking, oh, let's get everything back into focus here. Once you're done cooking, then you just put it in like so and push. And that will push all the grease out or any chunks of food. So on this one here, we had some chunks of pepper that got stuck in there. So you just put it in and push, and you can give it a pull back too, just to give it an extra good clean. So after you cook, preferably while everything is still hot, you want to give every trough a good scrape. And you want to hold it so that it is sitting flush like this. That is the best way to get in there and get the troughs nice and cleaned out. Just like that. So, if you can't tell, I am a big fan of the True Wave, and I use these, you know, pretty consistently when I'm cooking something on the gas grill that is greasy or can cause some flare-ups or anything like that. These are great ways to give you a good even cooking area, because you know on a gas grill you've got hot spots and cold spots. This kind of eliminates that, not 100%, but quite well. And if you're looking at picking one of these up for yourself to give it a try, then I've got a discount code for you. So you go to truewavegrilling.com and check it out. And when you go to the checkout section, enter in the discount code Grey County 10, and I will include that in the description box down below and also along the bottom of the video here. So Grey County 10 will give you 10% off, and you know, go ahead, pick one up, use it. I think you will end up liking it just as much as I do. Well, thanks for watching, everybody. If you liked the video, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to share it with your friends. Leave me a comment down below. And if you haven't yet, then please hit that subscribe subscribe button and the bell icon next to it so you get notified every time I upload a new video. Also, don't forget to check out my Patreon and Amazon affiliate links down in the description box as well. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.